Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own purple conditioner and purple shampoo. You're going to need any white conditioner, right? I'm using a Revlon conditioner and I'm also going to use a Pro 5 Color Protect conditioner. I got this from Discam. And then you are just going to mix it in a container, any container that you have lying around in the house, and then I'm going to add the Color Protect conditioner in the bowl as well. And then what you need here is gentian violet. You can get this at any pharmacy. I got this at a spice shop for 15 rand. It is purple and it's going to color the conditioner and turn it to a purple color. I used about 15 to 20 drops, and then I will be mixing it until the entire mixture has turned into a purple. Now I'll be doing the same with for the shampoo. I already started mixing the classic egg shampoo, and I didn't like how light it was, so I added a few more drops of the gentian violet solution, and I love how dark it came out, as you can see here. And the texture, the consistency is rather thick and glossy, and it smells great. And guys, this is the products that I used.